What's up, y'all? HK2 Production back at it again with yet another different video. Like I said, this year is going to be a different year for me. I'm going to be doing a lot of fishing. I'm going to be doing a lot of fishing on the boat, John boat. Right now, I'm at Myrtle Beach. Now, Myrtle Beach, they say, has been infested with a lot of shark attacks. So that's a good thing for me, bad thing for a lot of other people. Because I'm going to come out here and try to catch a shark, some crabs, hopefully some flounders, some mullets, whatever I can get my hands on. So I'm going to be doing some saltwater fishing. Just watch, like, and subscribe. Hey, I hope y'all enjoy what you're about to see, because this is a whole week of vacation, fun for me and my family, and we're just going to get out here and try to make it happen. Y'all stay tuned. Got more live action coming to that pretty fish. Let's get a release on him. Gonna get a release back in him. Come on. There you go. Thank you, thank you. Hey, tell Peter I done caught 2 croakers already, and I got another one on right now. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, man, he's fighting, too. Yep, just caught another croaker. Okay, bye. Come on. It's crazy how all these fish have teeth. Nice fish. I like the colors, the blue, the purple, the yellow. Beautiful fish, guys. Let's get them back in the water. There you go, buddy. So I've caught 2 croakers, a little sunfish. Seems like during this time they're very active. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Getting back in there. I caught a flounder. Oh no, that's a crab. Yep. Let go of the shrimp. Look at him. There you go. Ooh, I think that's a mackerel. A mullet. Blue? Yeah, right. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, look at that, man. That is beauty. Man, this is the spot today. Got it from back. Dang, Peter. Always keep these things because in the salt water they're gonna have teeth. Yeah. He's not.
No!
Yes, he was pulling my drag. Look. He just took it and just started running with it. He might have got off. I don't know. Oh no, he didn't.
Alright, Bobby, he's in front of you now. I'm gonna use the current for his advantage, dude, since I don't can't walk this way, Bobby. Start backing up a little bit. No, like this way, like go. Backing up.
Oh.
Not the big dude.
He's pulling drag, man. He hasn't even come to the surface yet. Dude. Oh, he's pulling. He's still fighting.
Where's he going, Bobby?
He's going this way.
That way?
Yeah.
Alright, walk this way. Keep on walking this way.
Woo!
That way?
Yeah, he's still trying to pull it.
Alright, come on. Feel him turn, alright?
I still feel him going that way. I got one on. All right, he's going back over this way. He is not showing. This is a big shark, man. Look. Yeah. He is fighting, man. Yeah. Excuse me, y'all.
I'm sorry, guys. Still going that way?
Yeah.
so short?
I don't know. Look, there go my light. There go my light right there. That's a nice shark. What'd he say? Yeah, that's a big shark right there, man. He is fighting, man. No, don't even try it, Peter. Don't try it. Don't try it, Peter.
Try and get him. Oh my God. You need to be careful. Oh my God.
Here, hold it. Let him get in there.
Sorry, dude.
It's all right.
You see how he almost came back and got me?
Dang.
But you got it on. I mean, you got
Dang.
it. You got it. You brought
That's the most awesome thing I've seen all day.
Oh, dude, you broke it.
He broke my hook and everything.
He swallowed it. He was bleeding when I went to go grab him, so he
Dang.
swallowed it.
Oh,
Did you see him trying
man.
to turn around and get me?
Yeah. That's why I said
I'm
don't.
sorry, man.
I said don't even worry about it.
Bastard, dude, but I'm gonna lose my hand.
Nah, I wouldn't want you to get bit.
You got that on film, though.
But you couldn't really see it
I don't
because
know how he didn't break the line, dude, like, during that fight.
yeah,
Holy. That was like 3 foot.
yeah.
Bobby, dude, I tried. I
Almost
really
full.
No, look, I know you did, man.
What's up, everybody? HK2 Production came out here today, had a great week here in Myrtle Beach. Went out to Cherry Grove, out in the pier, caught some croaker. Zach caught a couple of sharks. We saw somebody catch a hammerhead. All right, went inland, caught a bunch of exotic fish. So comment below and tell me what you think the fish were. A couple of them I didn't know because, like I said, I do a lot of freshwater fishing and not a lot of salt water. So now I'm kind of getting into the salt water. It's very tricky when you're fishing salt water because sometimes you don't feel the drag pull like you do on a bass or a catfish. And what I use today, anytime you're going out fishing in the ocean and you're taking your family out, as you can see, I have about an 8-pound line. And then I have a swivel, 2 small hooks right here. And I also got a leader attached with the weight. A lot of people out here are doing this. And I went to Walmart, got some regular raw shrimp, peeled, deveined, tail off, small, 60-80. You can use a small, you can use medium, you can use large. I caught a lot of fish today. Now, it seemed like during high tide going into low tide around about 12 to 2 o'clock is when a lot of the fish were biting. So if you're coming out to Myrtle Beach, that mid-tide between 12 and 2 is the best time. And get to somewhere that you see like a little pocket. You'll catch a lot of fish because they're going in to go feed and then they're going back out to the ocean. As always, be safe when you're out there fishing. I had a great week here on vacation. Anytime you come out to Myrtle Beach, come out here to the Beach Cove Resort, tell them HK2 Production sent you, and they're gonna look at you like you're crazy, because they don't know who I am. But, you know, if you come out here, hang right, go all the way down, there's a lot of good, exciting fishing out there. HK2 Production, and I'm out.